ria mĩĩrĩ ya arume eri okuru wa gatagati-inĩ yonekanĩte ĩtetwo mwena wa Mida barabara-inĩ nene ya kuma Mombasa guthii Malindi iri na nguraro cia mutwe. Kuringana na aria meyoneire mĩĩrĩ ĩno moigĩte mwĩrĩ ũmwe wonekanire mũkĩra wa bara gĩthaka-inĩ naguo mwĩrĩ wa kerĩ wonekana makinya manini kuma haria mwĩrĩ wa mbere uma. Mĩĩrĩ ĩno ndiramenyekana irateirwo nũ na irarutĩtwo mwena ũrĩkũ gũkũ ateteri a ihoto cia ũmũndũ makĩũria ũthuthuria wĩkwo na ihenya nĩguo gũtambũra mĩĩrĩ ĩno. Mĩĩrĩ ĩno ĩtwarĩtwo mũcere-inĩ ya thibitarĩ nene ya Malindi gũkũ borithi nao makĩambĩrĩria ũthuthuria.
Tumepokea habari za maiti mbili ambazo zimepatikana katika barabara kuu ya Mombasa kuelekea Malindi. Hizi maiti zimepatikana maeneo ya Mida na tumeweza kuthibitisha kwamba hadi hivi sasa hiyo miili imeweza kufikishwa kwa mochari ya Malindi. From the look of things, it appears as if these two were severely tortured before being killed and then dumped on the roadside. It's very worrying to see dead bodies. You know, you wake up in the morning and you're seeing dead bodies on the highway.
We are calling upon the security officers and the intelligence to work around the clock so that we get to know what are the reasons behind these deaths and many other deaths that we've been seeing at the coast region in the past few days or months. This is very important because during this month of the Ramadan, the security of the community around the coastal region is very paramount.